In this video, I will teach you how to disable the auto updates for Windows 11. So first, click on the Windows button. Now search for services.msc and click enter, should be this one, services app. So now you should be directed here to this page or this application. What you have to do in the second step, just scroll down to Windows Updates. So it should be on the alphabets. Here we are on the S and then U, V, W. Here we are in the W and exactly at Windows. We should look for Windows Update, this one here. Simply right click the mouse and choose Properties. Here this option and easily go for Startup Type and toggle these options. They're automatic, delayed start, automatic, manual, or disable. You should choose disable here and then click on apply. Now go for recovery. In here on the first failure, choose this option and take no action. Automatically all these options will be as well take no action. Same as the first option. As well click on apply and then choose OK to save your settings. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, as well let me know down in the comments below if the video was helpful, and thanks for watching.